Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a super cute Easter nail set. It's also really great for spring as well. So I'm just gonna get right into it. For this nail set, I am mostly using all Beetles products except for like one thing. So as you can see here, I am just applying the Beetles base coat to all my nails. I wanted to use mostly pastel or just like light colors. So this first one is kind of a pinkish color. And don't forget to paint the tip of the nail for a more finished look. And this one is kind of hard to see on the bottle, but it is color 130, just a nice yellow, and all of these colors did come together except for the one I used for the pinky. And I am planning on doing a review for all of these colors that came together in the near future, so make sure to stay tuned for that. This next color for my middle fingernail, sometimes it looks pink and sometimes it looks peach. I think it just kind of depends on the lighting you're in. And then this last one is kind of a lavender or light purple, and I got this gel polish from Temu. Finally, for the nail art, this first one is going to require some Sharpies. I have a fine point one and then just a regular one, and obviously it doesn't have to be Sharpie brand. I have this Office Depot one, just as long as it's like a permanent marker. So basically what I'm trying to do is make the nail look like an Easter egg. So I just took both of my Sharpies and I'm doing just random dots around the nail. They don't have to be perfect because all Easter eggs are different. So you can do however many dots you want. And I just kind of did it randomly, kind of spread them out a little bit and just kept on adding dots until I thought it looked okay. I did this same exact design for the index and the pinky fingernail, and I did not record it just because it's the same thing. So after this, I will just be going on to the next design that I did. So I ran into a bit of a problem after this when I was putting the top coat on, but I did find a solution. So I wanted it matte. So I got my matte top coat and I started painting it on the nail, and the Sharpie just started smearing. And I was really disappointed, so I just remade the nail hoping I would be able to find a solution for this. And honestly, I might have been able to just take it off with acetone and not have to remake the whole nail, but I did that. And so basically you have to put the shiny coat on first and then the matte coat. I'm not really sure exactly why the matte coat does this to the Sharpie, but obviously they're made out of different chemicals and stuff. So yeah, just a little tip, if that happens, try using the shiny coat and then the matte coat on top of the shiny top coat. For my middle fingernail, I am going to paint a bunny. So I'm just getting this white Beetles gel polish and putting it on this paint palette. I'm grabbing my detailing nail brush and I'm just going to start making the bunny's face. And I thought, since we are just talking about bunnies right now and doing some bunny nail art, I would show you my pet bunny, Bailey. She is so cute. And now I am just starting to create the rabbit's ears. And I did not film this part for some reason, but I did take the same color that is on the nail, the pinkish peach color, and I took a dotting tool and then just made the nose like that. And now I am putting black gel polish on my palette to make the eyes. And of course, since I didn't use Sharpie for this nail, I don't have to worry about the matte top coat smearing, so I just went in directly with the matte top coat. And finally, for my ring fingernail, this is really easy. All I did was get a sticker. I decided on a flower sticker just because it fits with the theme. And I just put it on the nail and put the matte top coat over it, and we are done with the nail set. I do sometimes like to do my other hand a little bit differently, so I decided to just do the same exact colors with no nail art and then a shiny top coat. So this is what that looks like. And then here is the finished look of the set I just did in this video. I'm going to have to say I personally like the bunny nail out of all of them the best. Make sure to comment down below which one you liked the best. And also like and subscribe for more nail content. And also make sure to go follow my nail Instagram. I post almost every day. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!